Hello kids, today we will discuss about 8th chapter. Okay, so all of you please take out your computer textbook, page number 29, chapter 8, exploring your computer. Okay, please take out your computer textbook, page number 29. Today we'll discuss about exploring your computer. In this chapter we will discuss about Windows files and folders. See students, in the previous class we had discussed about files and folders, and we know that Windows uses files and folders for what purpose? For organizing the information stored on a computer system, or for arranging the information stored on a computer system, so that user can work efficiently and can get the information quickly. Okay, so everything which is stored on our computer is easily accessible through the computer folders. That is why it is called the window to your computer. The computer folder is a top level folder in Windows. Students, to open a computer folder, we have to double click on the computer icon. Which one is the computer icon? Whenever we switch on our computer system, operating system, the screen of the window displays. The operating system displays the screen of window, and after that we get some folders, some icons on the computer screen, and from those icons one icon is computer icon. And to open this computer folder we have to double click on the computer icon on the desktop. Okay, computer folder is the place where we can go to access locations such as a floppy disk drive, then hard disk drives, CD, DVD drives, removable media, and network location that are connected to our computer system. That means computer folder is the location for all the drives. Okay, whenever we connect any storage device to our computer system, the location of that device comes under the computer folder. We can locate that particular drive within computer folder. Suppose you have connected hard disk drive, then you will get it in the computer folder. Students, you can see in the picture, see these are the drives: local disk C, then DVD drive, floppy disk drive, network drive. These are the drives. This is the folder of what? Computer. We have opened the computer folder, then we will get this window. Okay, and if you connect digital camera or hard disk or any other external storage device, then you will get it in this folder within the computer folder. Suppose you have connected your mobile phone, then you will get, suppose your model is Galaxy M11, then you will get it within the computer folder. Okay, students, see in the picture floppy disk drive is there, and also DVD drive, then hard disk drive are also there within the computer folder. When we connect a hard disk drive, we will get this drive within the computer folder. If we double click on floppy disk drive, then we will get all the content which are available within the floppy disk. We will get those all information, and also we can store some more information or different files within that floppy disk drive. This floppy drive is generally named A colon drive. Okay, so it is denoted by A colon within first bracket drive. See students, if we connect hard disk drive within the with the computer system, then we will get this drive within computer folder. And if we double click on hard disk drive, then we will get all the contents available within the hard disk drive by clicking that. And this hard disk drive, this is C drive, this is larger than the it can store larger amount of information or data than the floppy disk, and every computer has at least one hard drive. It is generally named C drive. Okay, C colon within the first bracket drive, this is C drive. D drive through Z drive are assigned to other hard disk drive. Students, moving to the next topic, understanding parts of a folder. See, this is the picture of a folder window, and a folder window shows the contents of the folder. The contents, the information, what are available within the folder. It also has a variety of parts that are designed to help us navigate around windows or work with files and folders more easily. What it does? It helps us to work easily. It helps us to find the location, to navigate or to find the location of our documents easily. Windows are, what are the windows? Windows are the display board, means it displays some information. It is the visual area which display the information, and the folder window shows what? The content of the folder. You can see in the picture the computer folder's contents are available within this. Students, now I will discuss with the various parts of a folder window. See, at the top of the folder window, address bar. This is the address bar. The address bar is at the top of every folder. It is used to navigate to a different folder without closing the current folder window. Without closing the current folder, we can navigate the different folders by clicking on address bar. Okay. Now next is back and forward buttons. We can use the back and forward buttons to navigate to other folders which we have already opened without closing the current window. Okay, by clicking these back and forward buttons, we can navigate the folders, the other folders. In case we have already opened window, without closing that current window, we can navigate the other folders by clicking on back and forward buttons. Search box. We can use the instant search box to quickly locate or search for folders and files which are already stored in the current folder. We can search our folders by typing on search box. Okay. Navigation pane. The navigation pane lets us navigate directly to the folder that contains the files we want. Means it shows some list of the files. It displays the list of the files, and by clicking the file name from that list, we can go to the file or folder directly. Okay, we can go to the folder directly. The favorite links section lets us access common places with a single click. The folders list section lets us move to and open other folders quickly. It shows our folders organized in a tree-like structure. To show or hide the tree, click folders in the navigation pane. Okay. Now next is file list. Students, please see in the picture, this is the list of the folders, files. Okay, this is the list of the file. This is file list. The file list displays all the files within the current folder. We can navigate to other folders by double clicking on them. Now next is toolbar. The toolbar allows us to perform common tasks such as copying, deleting, then renaming file or a folder. The organize and views buttons are always visible on the toolbar. The other buttons appear to show only what's useful for what we have selected. As for example, if we click a picture file, the toolbar shows different buttons. Then it would, if you clicked a music file, okay, if you click a music file, it will show some different buttons. Details pane. Now moving to the next one. Next is details panes. The details pane shows the most common properties associated with the selected file. File properties give information about a file, such as the author, the date you last changed the file, etc. These properties, these information gives by the file properties. Okay. Next is column headings. Use the column headings to change how the files in the file list are organized. We can sort, group or stack the files in the current view. So students, these are the various parts of a folder window. What are those parts? Address bar, back and forward buttons, then search box, then navigation pane, file list, then toolbar, then details pane, column headings. See, this is the picture of file. This is the picture of folder window. Okay, and you can see some folders, some files are seen in the pictures. These are the file list and column headings. Some column headings are also there. Students, now we will discuss about some steps to view the files and folders. For that we have to follow some steps. First step is we have to click on the start button, then start menu appears, and from that menu we have to click on the computer. Okay, computer option, or you can click on computer icon directly from the desktop. By double clicking these we will get the drives. See in the picture, these are the drives, and by double clicking the drive, C drive, we will get some folders. See, these are the folders. By clicking work folder, you will get the subfolder. You will get the subfolder of that file. See, this document text is the subfolder, and you can see the file. Students, now we will discuss how to create a new folder. For creating a new folder, we have to follow some steps. Like previous one, we have to click on the start button. You can see in the picture, the first step is click on start button, then click on computer, and directly we can double click the computer icon on the desktop for finding the disk drive. Okay, now you can see in the picture local disk drive is opened, and by double clicking this local disk drive we will get some folders, some file lists, and you can see in the picture, that is the navigation pane. From the navigation pane you will get one tab, that is new folder. Double clicking that, you will get one new folder. A folder will appear with a temporary name as new folder. Type a name for the folder as Jaiho. Suppose you have written the name of the folder Jaiho, then press enter. Students, see, your folder Jaiho is created in local disk C drive, and you can store your files within this folder Jaiho. Now we will see how to create a new file directly, very quickly, by clicking on the blank space. For this we have to click on the start button, then computer. We can click on computer icon from the desktop directly. Okay, then we have to click on we have to right click a blank area within the drive. Okay, then click new. By clicking right click, you will get some pop-up menu, one list. By clicking right button of the mouse, you will get one pop-up menu. From that list you have to click on new, then you will get one sub menu. From that you have to choose the document, text document. If it is text, then click on text document, select this, then your file is created. Type a name for the new file and then press enter. By following these steps, you can create the folder or you can create the file very quickly. Okay, now next is copying a file or folder. For copying a file, we can use speed key Ctrl plus C, and we can also follow some steps. Okay, for that we have to click on start button, then click on computer, then you will get the drives, then click on local disk drive where the file is located. By double clicking this, you will get the list of the files, and you have to select the file which you want to copy, then select it, then go to the navigation pane. From the navigation pane you have to choose the option copy. Click on copy. Okay, click on copy so that your file is copied. Then from the navigation pane you just paste it the folder where you want to copy the file. Open that file and paste it there. Then you can see in the picture your file is copied in the other folder, and the speed key for the pasting, okay, for the pasting is Ctrl plus V. Remember it, Ctrl plus V. Students, that's all for today. Please start revising all the chapters from starting. Okay, please start revising the chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the ninth chapter I will discuss in the next class. Bye bye. Have a good day.